said you don't live in the same place.
Just hang out. Beautiful places together.
I have not, and I was looking for you.
There up ahead through the window, you can see the locomotive pulling us around the bend. Intrepid travelers, there they are.
Hi, Oma. Hello, Mama.
Hi, Mom. I hope you can enjoy this video. We're having a wonderful time here. Take a look at some of this. Wish you could be here with us. This is a nice little stretch. Beautiful rushing river, and up you can see the sky above, water below. There's a stream. I know.
Isn't that wonderful?
It cost you $20 for the film and the developing back when for 20 pictures. There you go. So
Hang on a second here. I gotta.
so you're probably one of these guys that loved trains since you're a kid. I would have to guess.
I always tease everybody. My Lionels grew up. now I'm in the 1-to-1 scale.
So you're gonna go beyond that and get some super big ones along the way, maybe?
I think the historical part is what I'll do.
Yeah.
Are you also president of the other railroads?
It's just a title. Real people would make them up.
I totally understand, but it's okay.
Through the smoke here, you can just barely see the tops of some peaks here in the distance. There you go. Gorgeous. There they are. There we go. Got Dick in there in the other car, chatting with a lady from Mexico City.